In a recent development, the Supreme Court of India has taken a firm stance against Patanjali Ayurveda, led by Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev, regarding misleading advertisements of their medicinal products. The court rejected Patanjali's second apology, emphasizing the company's willful disobedience of its orders. Despite Patanjali's unconditional apology, Justices Hima Kohli and Asaduddin Amanullah expressed dissatisfaction, labeling the actions as willful, deliberate, and repeated violations. Senior advocate Mukul Rothgi, representing Patanjali, argued for leniency, but the court remained resolute, stating, "We don't want to be generous in this case." The court also admonished Uttarakhand's licensing authority for its role in the matter, vowing to hold the officials responsible. After the Supreme Court in the previous hearing had outrightly refused to accept the first apology offered by Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna, fresh affidavits offering unconditional and unqualified apologies were filed before the top court ahead of the hearing today. In the fresh affidavit, it was stated by the duo that they sincerely regret the lapse and wish to assure the court that the same will not be repeated. They further added that they want to tender an unconditional and unqualified apology for the breach of the statement recorded in the order of the Supreme Court dated 21st of November 2023. On 2nd of April, the court had given one last opportunity to both Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna to file a proper affidavit, saying that the apology that was filed by the duo earlier was incomplete and a mere lip service. During the hearing on Wednesday, the Supreme Court also blasted the Uttarakhand government in connection to the Patanjali misleading advertisements and said, "We will rip you apart." The court asked the state's licensing authority, "Do you have the guts to do what you are doing? You are acting as a post office." The court further told the Uttarakhand authorities, "You are hand in glove with Patanjali. Why was no action taken? What kind of behavior is this? You are dealing with public health. We will make you abettors in the case." The bench also pulled up Baba Ramdev, mentioning his plea seeking exemption from court appearance, citing overseas travel plans, and then filing a backdated ticket in the affidavit. In the contempt matter, you seek exemption, saying, "I have a ticket to travel abroad." Then you are saying, "I don't have it?" You're taking this process very lightly, the bench warned, calling the incident perjury in open court. The judiciary's stern response comes amidst a raging debate over upholding truth and accountability in advertising practices, ensuring consumer protection. The court has also made it clear that it is not just looking at Patanjali, but all FMCG companies that take their consumers on a ride by showing them a rosy picture of what their products can do when the reality is something completely different.
Click on the link in the description to read more about the story. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to Law Today for more updates about what is happening in courts across the country.